Gee. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. Napakadali lang pala na kailangan kong gawin.
And I should say, that was very clever of you.
Like a dark enchantress, sneaking in the dead of night.
Impressive. Alam mo, one of these days, papakilala kita sa tatay ko. Sigurado akong magkakasundo kayo.
Oh, the senior Mr. Castello?
Well, Costello is my mother's maiden name. My dad is more on the low-key side.
Very refreshing. Yung hindi na kailangan dumisplay. Anyway, nako, I'm sorry to keep this exchange short, but I really need my beauty rest. Pero tatapusin ko muna ito, ha? But I'm really looking forward to meeting your father. Gusto ko finally na makilala yung taong inspirasyon ako.
Yes, and I'm very excited for you to meet him. Dahil kilala mo siya, Reina. Kilala.
Sandali! Saan niyo ba ako dadalhin?
Kulit nyo. Special nga ho para sa Increase Proceeding.
Kailangan ko tawagan ko muna yung amo ko. Si Ma'am Mars, kailangan niya malaman yung totoo, sir.
Di ba nagamit nyo na po yung tawag niyo sa pamangkin nyo kanina? Bakit kasi hindi yung March na yung tinawagan nyo? Pasok po.
Sige,
Pasok po.
Kailangan ba talaga rin dito tayo lahat?
Of course, Ma. Jasmine needs all the prayers. Jas?
Ready na tayong mag-start? Pwede na?
Pascual, ikaw muna magpalit sa pwesto ko. Magro-robing na ako sa likod.
Roger, sir. Copy.